So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get credits in Heygen. So here we are in Heygen. It's an AI generator, as you can see. So here, to get more credits, it's pretty simple. So you either can go here in the pricing and get started with the creator plan. So here in your creator plan, you'll get unlimited video generations and videos up to 5 minutes. You can export it up to 180p, and everything it is free. So 3 instant avatars, watermark removal, video export, and fast video processing. You can also do your theme right here, which can do 60 minutes and 4K resolution. So if you don't really want to pay for this, of course, there is a workaround around this. So here we have the invite. You can refer to Heygen by copying the invitation, but now it's not available. You can copy the invitation right here and actually just create multiple accounts and sign up with your own referral code to get more. So there's only going to be 3 videos left in your actual credits per month. This is a monthly basis, not a weekly basis. So it's pretty crucial. So there you go, guys. That is how you get credits in Heygen. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.